Did you know that April 26th is a day dedicated to the twisted treat we all know and love? That's right, it's National Pretzel Day. Celebrated since 2003, this day pays homage to the salty, crunchy delight that has been a favorite for centuries. But why stop at the pretzel? Why not elevate the experience? Enter the nationally award-winning Honey Jalapeno Mustard from Traverse Bay Farms. This uniquely flavored mustard, with its subtle sweetness and spicy kick, pairs perfectly with pretzels, transforming the humble snack into an elevated taste sensation. So on April 26th, don't just snack, celebrate. Indulge in the crunch of a pretzel, the heat of jalapeno, and the sweetness of honey. Traverse Bay Farms, Honey Jalapeno Mustard, and a pretzel. A match made in snacking heaven. Remember, National Pretzel Day is more than just a day, it's an experience. Make it memorable with the award-winning Honey Jalapeno Mustard from Traverse Bay Farms. Celebrate the twist, taste the difference.